you all. Welcome back, friends. Right now in this video, 12 divided by 3, which equals 4, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now we have this problem, 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So we have 4 divided by 12 divided by 3, and we can write this part as 4 over 12 divided by 3. So we must keep the first fraction 4 over 12 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 3, which equals 4 over 36. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the fun, like and subscribe.